to the channel. How you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video I am going to explain, no, I am not explaining, I am going to introduce one new chapter of 10th class maths. Chapter 3 successfully completed. Right, now I am going to introduce new chapter of 10th class maths. So now today is the June 6th, right? June 8th some schools will reopen, June 12th some schools will reopen, right? So now for students, their parents, they want to buy the notebooks, pens, pencils, uniforms, shoes, socks, lunch boxes, new lunch boxes, new lunch bags also, new water bottles also. For some students they want to buy, right? Their parents. Okay. Now, suppose Lata is one of the parent of the students. Okay, Lata bought 3 notebooks, 2 pens for the cost of 80 rupees. Number of notebooks how many? According to Lata. Lata bought notebooks 3, pens 2, suppose. For the total cost of this 80 rupees. 80 rupees. Now Siri is one more parent. For her children, she bought notebooks. Suppose 4 notebooks. Pens, she bought 2. Okay, 3. So same number is repeated. So here 5. For the cost of, suppose 120 rupees. 120 rupees. Okay. Now how we can write this in the form of an expression? Okay. First one, if you write in the form of an expression, 3 notebooks. I am not taking any variables here, just 3 notebooks plus 2 pens. 2 pens. Total cost 80 rupees, right? Now, here how many notebooks? 4 notebooks. 4 notebooks, 5 pens. The total cost of these 120 rupees. Okay. Now, if you take number of notebooks, let us take X, pens let us take Y. Now you can substitute notebooks 3x, pens Y, 2y is equals to 80 rupees, and 4x plus 5y is equal to 120 rupees. Now X and Y are variables, unknown values. Okay, now got it, this in the form of an expression, right, an equation. Okay, after getting these equations, now if you want to find the cost of notebooks and pens, now we should solve these 2 equations, then we can get the xy values. Yes or no? Now that xy values, we can call it as solution of that equation also. Okay, this way we can get the equation. Which type of equation is this? Linear equation in 2 variables. A linear equation in 2 variables. What are the variables x and y? Why we are calling linear equation? Why? Because degree 1. Okay. So linear equation in 2 variables. Now in this video I am going to introduce pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Why I am calling pair of 2 linear equation? Why? Because here equation 1 and equation 2. Pair means what? 2 equations. What is the meaning of pair? 2. So pair of linear equations in 2 variables. That is chapter number 4. Chapter 4. Linear equations. Pair of. First write it pair of. Don't forget that. Pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations variables. In two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. Now what is the general form of linear equation in two variables? Pair of linear equations in two variables. First I'm talking about one linear equation. What is the general expression? General form of linear equation in two variables. Two variables. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. Where a, b, c are belongs to real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers. Why we are taking this condition? If what will happen, a, b zeros, if a, b zeros means this full will be 0, then you will get only constant. It will not exist any linear equation in two variables. That's what we should take the condition. A, b should not be 0. Okay, this is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Here we are talking about the pair of linear equations. Pair means two equations. Let us take. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. So here these are the pair of linear equations in two variables. This is the introduction of the chapter. Then based on this concept you have some exercise. So I will post in one more video. Then until then keep watching. Thank you. For more videos subscribe my channel, support me. Have a nice day. Bye.